Hey guys, Kirk with An Easier Way to Trade. Want to make a quick video to show you what our EA is doing, guys. We are crushing it right now in our accounts. Guys, we want to show you really quick how we are managing our trades. See, I have yet to find an EA. And if you can find one that's been profitable 2 years, 3 years running, making money, guys, show it to me. I have yet to find one. But what we're doing is we have an EA that we manage. See, we want the EA to actually put us in the trade and let us manage it from there. It takes roughly 2 to 3 minutes to make a decision of whether you want to stay in that trade or not. We're going to be showing you how to do that on our Zooms. So guys, we're crushing the market with the EA because it's putting us in the trades that we would sometimes miss because we're away from the computer or we're asleep or we're working or whatever we're doing. So the EA puts us in the trade, we get an alert that it's EA that's put us in the trade, guys. And we're going to show you all this. So let's just go and just start off. We got USD CAD on the 12-hour, right? It puts us in the trade right here. It puts us in the trade. Now we have 100 pip stop loss, guys. We would never, ever let this EA or let a trade go 100 pips negative. The only time that would happen is if, again, we are away from the computer, we're asleep or whatever. We do have protection at 100 pips, right? But we're going to be showing you through management how we can minimize the stop loss but maximize the profit. So the EA puts us in the trade right here. Actually put us in the trade here, right? For a buy. Went up, hit our TP, guys. But when we enter the trade, again, as I said, it takes you 2 to 3 minutes to come open up a chart on either the computer, Trading View, your MT5, your cell phone, whatever you want to use. Look at structure. Find your structure right here. We see this is what? A break and retest, right? We're going down, broke through, came back to retest. It put us in the trade for this buy off of the break and retest, guys. What do we say? We say, okay, we're not going to let it go 100 pips. So right below our structure, we'll set an alert right here on our, on our cell phone or our MT5 or Trading View, whatever. Set an alert. So if price breaks structure right here and goes south, well, we pretty much think it's going to continue down, right? So why let it go 100 pips? Just go ahead and exit that trade right then. We're minimizing our loss, but maximizing our profit. So price went up, hit our TP, guys. So that's the first one. Let's go to the next one. The next one is AUD shift, AUDCHF. Let's go look at that one. All right, here we go. We got in this trade for a sale. We got in right here. We were between zones. As you can see, price has been selling right here, kind of coming over there, starting to consolidate, right? But we're in this zone. EA put us in the sale right here, guys. We come down, hit our TP. Again, we would never let it go to the EA stop loss of 100 pips. So we manage the stop loss. We set an alert right here. And if price breaks the structure, we just simply close the trade because we see it's in a zone, right? We see it's in between structure, your resistance and support. Came down, hit our take profit. Guys, we are managing the trade. Again, it takes you 2 to 3 minutes when these trades come through to manage it. You're probably wondering, well, how do I know when it's going to a trade executes? I don't know. Going to get to that in just a minute. Let's go to another one. EURCHF. See what we got right here. All right, guys, we see price has been what? Kind of all over the place. It's selling here. Now it's kind of leveling off again, consolidating again, right? Maybe a slight pullback off of this sell, a slight pullback right here, but we're trading inside of these zones right here. All right, so let's come over. We had this for a buy. Price came off of support. You see it's in this zone. Again, it takes you 2 to 3 minutes to go to your charts, mark this up on your cell phone or computer or whatever. Put this in the buy right here. 100 pip stop loss. Never going to let it hit unless we were asleep, right? Unless we were asleep or away from the computer or the job or something like that. We see this structure right here, support. If it breaks support, it's probably going to continue south, right? So we put an alert right here. If it breaks support, we simply exit the trade. We simply exit the trade. But what do? Went up, hit our TP, right? Hit our TP, guys. We're excited about what we got here. Let's do one more. Then I'm going to show you how you're actually going to get alerted to when these trades, are taken. Let's go to USD CAD. No, I'm sorry. Let's go to AUD shift. We did USD CAD already. Let's go to AUD shift. All right. Again, price is what, guys? Price is what? It is been in a sell trend right here, kind of a deep pullback, almost a 50% pullback, but then again, it's consolidating, right? So let's go into this. Let's look at this. Got our zone right here. We see the zone. We're in for the entry right here to sell, went down, hit our TP. Again, 100 pip stop loss. We will not let it hit that unless we are away from the computer. Takes you 2 to 3 minutes, as I'm showing you, to mark this chart up right quick. Look at this stuff. We put an alert right above our structure right here. If price breaks our structure, then we just simply exit the trade, right? We simply exit the trade. But what did the price do? Price went down and hit our TP. So now you're saying to yourself, okay, well, this looks kind of simple. You're going to be teaching me how to manage it, and you're going to be helping us manage it. The EA puts us in a trade. How are we going to know when we get a trade? Glad y'all asked that question. I'm going to come over here to our Telegram group. We have a Signals Telegram group that when the EA puts you in the trade, EA puts us in these trades, right? Let's go down to where we were. The EA puts us in these trades. We have, let's get on down here to the end. The EA put us in EUR/AUD sale. It gives you the entry price, the time frame, stop loss, and the take profit, right? Then of course it gives you the disclaimer, right? Because we want to trade with only money we can afford to lose, right? So guys, you have this. As soon as the EA puts you in this trade right here, it's going to give you this alert in Telegram. An easier way to trade FX EA signals. Why is that important? Because as soon as you get the signal, you know your EA took a trade. So now you go to your cell phone, you go to your computer, whatever, and you simply mark that trade up, that trade, right? You mark it up. Again, with the 2 to 3 minutes to do that, mark it up and see if whether you want to stay in that trade or not. But guess what, guys? We're also doing the same thing. That's why we say this is an EA with management. We're going to be managing it too. We're going to be telling you in this signals group what we are doing, if we're closing the trade or not. Right here, we closed the EUR sale right here. We closed it at this price right here because we didn't like the way it looked. Now, again, we always say do your own analysis, right? We say do your own analysis on the trade that is. We're giving you what we're doing. But hey, you may say, well, I like that trade. I want to stay in it. We're going to be teaching you how to manage the trade. But again, guys, it is very simple. If you follow what we're doing, then you will be following what we're doing. We're giving you the information right here in our EA Signals group on how to manage the trade. We're going to be doing weekly Zooms 2 days a week on management. And, you know, if we're in trade, we're going to be showing you how we're doing this thing. Guys, the EA, again, is designed to just get you in the trade. 90% of trading is pulling the trigger. A lot of people say, man, I wish I would have taken that trade, but they were hesitant. They didn't pull that trigger to enter the trade. Well, the EA is going to alleviate all of that. It's going to put you in that trade. Now, with our help, we're going to be showing you how to manage it and maximizing your profits, guys. We are super excited about what we have going on. We're going to show you how to take as little as $300 and grow this account through trade management. But again, what's so special about the Signals group? Again, not only does it tell you when it puts you in the trade, right? Guys, we just got entered in a trade. You already can. This just came up while we were sitting here, right? Let me get my picture out the way. I look so good there. But it just put us in a trade, guys. Right? It just put us in a trade on our. That happened to be in another group right here. Let me show you. We got another Signals group right here that we're doing for other trades. Right? We got it here, and you'll be it. So it just put us in EUR CAD on a sale. So let's go look at that right quick. EUR CAD on a sale at right here. Let me move this out. Let's go to EUR CAD on a sale. All right, it just put us in there. So let me remove this stuff out the way. Get my picture out, remove the drawings, put us in on the sale. Guys, we see on 12 hour, we're in an uptrend, right? We see we're in an uptrend, but it put us in a sale at 1.4. Let me go ahead and mark this up really quick. Come on, get my thing. 1.4, what did I say? 1.40082. All right. So put us in the sale right here, guys. It's already dropping, right? Our stop loss, 100 pip stop loss. Let me scroll this down a little bit. 100 pip stop loss would be 1.4108. 1.4108. Help me remember that number, guys. 1.41. What did I say? 1.4108. That's our 1.4108. Yep. And our TP is 1.3908. 1.3908. Did I put it up here? 1.3908. 1.3908 is our TP. Okay, so let's go ahead and let's look at this right here. Now we see we don't really have any structure around right here, right? So we have over here, let's go down to the 4 hour. We're going to let this run, guys. We're going to let this run because we see right here on the 4 hour. Let me open it up just a little bit more. Get that out the way. Let's open this up just a little bit more. We see on the 4 hour right here, guys. We got a little bit of structure right there, right? Got a little bit of structure. We got prices failed to break on the 4 hour. This trade coming, prices failed to break 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 candles, right? 8 candles roughly. So we're gonna let that trade run for the sale, guys. We see we have the sale again. Let me bring the signals channel over to you. We got the AUR CAD sale at the entry price right there. We see right here on the 4 hour, prices failed to break, right? So it just so happens our stop loss is right above that, but we would not let it go 100 pips, guys. But we got structure right here, so it shouldn't go anyway. So we're gonna let this trade run. Let this trade run on down to TP, guys. It's just this simple on how to manage the trades, right? You come in, we're gonna be posting this, and if we were decided to exit this trade, then what are we gonna do? We're gonna put in the Telegram group, hey, we are exiting this trade. You simply follow our results, our instructions in the Telegram group, and you make profit. Again, no guarantees are made. We cannot guarantee any profits. So our past profits don't guarantee your future results. However, we feel like that we have the best of both worlds right here now, guys, because we have an EA that puts us in the trade that we would normally miss if we were away from the computer or whatever. Due to the filters and stuff that we have, the triggers we have on it, it puts us in the best trades. And then it sends that signal to the Telegram group, right? To the Telegram group. And then again, I get back on the point because when I said a minute ago, what's another special reason about our Telegram group? Why it's so special? Not only does it give you the trade for that he is taking, but this, guys, now you can manually trade too, right? Hadn't thought about that, do you? Get this signal right on your computer. Now you can take this signal and go to your manual trading and enter it in also on your manual, do manual trading with it. So now you got the EA making trades, then you got the signal here, and you can take the trade on your manual accounts also. Double up on your money, guys. We're going to be showing you how to compound money with our EA. We're going to be showing you how we compound it. You know, we're going to be compounding our accounts, guys. We're excited. We are super, super excited to show you what we have. We're going to be launching this on January 4th. Guys, I want to show you this really quick. An easy way to trade, expert advisor with management. We have recommended pairs, H12 time frame, right? We're going to be showing you how to compound, guys. We're going to be starting with a minimum of 500, lot size 0.15. Once we make it up to $700 after the first month, guys, we're going to move that lot size on up. $1,000 after the second month, moving on up. Now, we are thinking what we are saying, guys. We're excited. We're thinking that, hey, we're going to go ahead and ride on and pass this 700 the first month, right on past this 1,000 the first month. But we want to be conservative. So we say if it takes us, 500, it takes us a month to make $200 on a $500 account, that's winning. But we're thinking that we're going to be, with management, we can make this happen even quicker. Again, can't guarantee anything, but from what we're seeing, guys, we have the keys to the kingdom right now. Again, we're going to be launching January 4th. We're launching January 4th. So join our Discord group right here. My cell phone is an ATM.com. Once you join that, you'll see some of the results that people have been having and see why we're so excited about what we have going on. Guys, we're doing a presentation this evening. If you happen to catch this video on YouTube, we're doing a presentation this evening at AnEasierWayToTrade.zoom.com. I'll put that link inside the bottom of this video right here in the comment section. AnEasierWayToTrade.zoom.com at 7 p.m. Eastern to show you this whole presentation. Super, super, super excited. Talk to you guys. Talk to you guys later.